Royal match level 1118. Got a big green shade that has lanterns underneath it. 2 and 4 hit blocks, the eggs. Why am I seeing fireworks? So I'm seeing fireworks and lanterns, but they're not visible yet. That is interesting. What is going on here? Guess we gotta break this green shade to find out. Oh, okay, that shade had all kinds of stuff under it. Had more blocks, fireworks, and lanterns. I'd never seen a shade that had different things underneath it. That's a good trick. Look at that. I thought I was going to lose for a minute.